Why are there not more people talking about the Chevy Equinox wireless charger not working? Is it just me, or did anyone else expect this to be simple? Let's get it working again, step by step. First, double-check your phone. Not all phones support wireless charging and bulky cases can block it. Try removing your case and set your phone flat on the charging pad. Next, start your engine. Some Equinox models won't power the charger unless the car is running. Weird, but true. Still nothing? Make sure your phone is centered on the charging pad. If it's off by even a little, it won't connect. Now check for debris or coins in the tray. Even a small object can break the connection. Wipe it clean and try again. If it's still not working, restart your phone. Sometimes it's just a software hiccup. Still no luck? Look for a yellow or red indicator light near the charger. If you see one, check your owner's manual. It might mean there's a bigger issue. If all else fails, visit your dealer. There could be a blown fuse, or the pad itself might need replacing, so don't stress. Most wireless charging issues in the Chevy Equinox are quick fixes. Try these steps and you'll be back to charging on the go in no time.